Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic psychology and its types. What is psychology? Psychology is the study of behavior and mental processes. Sometimes include cognitive, developmental and social, clinical psychology, etc. It involves both the brain and the heart. Types of psychology. Behavioral psychology focuses on observable behaviors and their relationship with the environment. Cognitive psychology studies mental processes such as attention, perception, memory, and problem solving. Developmental psychology examines how people change and grow throughout their lives. Clinical psychology. Clinical psychology focuses on diagnosing and treating mental illness. Regular mental health check ins are important for early detection and prevention. For example, a clinical psychologist may help a person with depression manage their symptoms and develop coping strategies. Forensic psychology. Forensic psychology applies psychological theories and principles to investigations and legal proceedings, helping to solve crimes and inform legal decisions. For example, a forensic psychologist might evaluate the competencies of an individual to stand trial. Educational psychology. Educational psychology studies how people learn, identifying different learning styles, visual, auditory, reading, writing, and kinesthetic, tactile. For example, an educational psychologist might research effective teaching methods or provide support to students with learning disabilities. Counseling psychology. Counseling psychologists focus on helping people deal with everyday life issues such as stress, relationships, and personal growth. For example, a counseling psychologist might provide marriage counseling to a couple going through a rough patch. Developmental psychology. Developmental psychologists study human growth and development across the lifespan. They investigate cognitive, social, and emotional changes. For example, a developmental psychologist might examine how children's social skills develop over time. Social psychology. Social psychologists explore how individuals are influenced by their social environments and interact with others. For example, a social psychologist could research the factors that lead to conformity in a group. Industrial organizational IU psychology. IO stand for Industrial Organizational. Psychologists apply psychological principles to workplace settings. They may focus on areas like employee motivation, productivity, and job satisfaction. For example, an AIO psychologist might help a company improve its employee training program to enhance job performance. Health psychology. Health psychologists examine the psychological factors that influence physical health and well being. They may work in healthcare settings and promote healthy behaviors. For example, a health psychologist might help patients manage chronic pain through cognitive behavioral therapy. Sports psychology. Sports psychologists work with athletes to enhance their mental performance, manage stress, and improve motivation. For example, a sports psychologist could help a professional athlete develop mental resilience for high pressure situations. Experimental psychology. Experimental psychologists conduct research to better understand fundamental psychological processes. Often in laboratory settings, they contribute to the development of psychological theories. For example, an experimental psychologist might investigate memory processes or perception. Thank you for listening and exploring the fascinating world of psychology and its types with me. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.